Hi everyone. Here are the two problems related with logarithms. Here the first problem is which is greater x or y if x is given as log of 5 with base 3 and the y is given as log of 25 with base 17. Here first of all I am going to solve the first questions. Now here the given conditions to the questions are given conditions are here the value of the x is given such that it is the value of the x is here log of 5 with base 3 and similarly the value of the y is here given as log of 25 with base 17. Here the two logarithms are with a different bases. So first of all we are going to change the base of the logarithms to a same number. Now first of all here this can be written as the log of 5 with base 3 can be written as log of 5 log of 3 with base 5. Here the changing the arguments and the base of the interchanging the arguments and the base of the logarithms. If we want to change the argument and the base of any log then we have to reciprocal the content. Here log of 5 with base 3 can be written as 1 over log of 5 with log of 3 with base 5. And similarly the value of the y can be written as with the interchanging the arguments and base by using the same concepts log of 17 with base 25. Here now further simplifying this log of 25 can be written as 5 square and the log of 17 with base 25 can be written as log of 17 with base 5 squares. And using the formula these terms looks like a formula. We have a formula on logarithm. If log of p with base a raised to n, then this can be written as 1 over n log of p with base a. This is the formula on logarithm. Using the same concept we can write these two comes in front of the logarithm. So by reciprocating 1 over 2 log of 17 with base 5. Here using the concept of fractions these two goes to numerator part and it becomes log of 5 with 17. Here the value of the x is log of 3 with base 5 and here the making the x, y and y the same numerators. Here this can be written as if we put 2 in numerator part, then for balancing conditions we have to put the same quantity on the denominator part also. So the further x can be written as 2 over log of 3 with base 5 and here the 2 is in front of the logarithm. So using this formula n log of b with base a, this can be written as log of b with base a raised to n. This is the formula. By using the same concept we can write these terms and 3 this is these 2 goes to the power on the 3, so this can be written as, and this is equivalent to 2 over log 5 and the square of the 3 is 9. Here we make the both x and y. Here we make the both x and y at the same numerator part, and but here the denominator part is little bit changed. And here in case of x the denominator part is log of 9 with base 5, and similarly in case of y, the denominator part is log of 17 with base 5. The base of the logarithm is same, only the arguments are different. And here log, we know that log of 17 with base 5 is greater than log of 9 with the same base. Here the argument path is the logarithms which has the greater arguments is always has the greater value. This, so here this is the value of a, and this is the value of y. This is the value of x, and this is the value of y. Here in case of y, in case of x and y, this denominator part, the denominator part of the y is greater than that of the x. So here both the numerator part is same, so the value of the x, is greater than that of the y, because the denominator part of the x is smaller than that of the y. And if we know that if the denominator is small, then the fractions will be higher. So here we evaluate that the relationship between the x and y, the value of the x is greater than the value of the y. Finally, the value of the x, which is given as log of 5 with base 3, here it is calculated as it is greater than the value of the y, and the value of the y is here given in the questions is log of 25 with base 17. This is the result. Thank you.